I welded up that notch that was sliced in it. And now I'm gonna file the inside down. And then I'll smooth that out. But I think it's getting close here. And I'm hoping, let's see if I can get this in here and show you guys where I'm at. So it fits pretty good, like right there. Get it to focus. So I think I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna tack that in, and hopefully it doesn't go through too much on the weld. I might be able to, when I'm underneath, put this file in there and try to file it down from underneath the car afterwards. So I might weld it in, or I'm going to weld it in, and then I'll take this file, try to clean up if there's any edges at all, and then I have a pretty skinny magnet I will stick down there and try to clean out any gunk and metal, and then I'll also probably just shove the cable through, try to clean out any of the gunk too, if there's any metal shavings from filing it. So that's the plan. See what happens here. It broke off, so this notch right here lines up perfect on the inside. So at least I have a guide of where it, should go. So that's, I'm basically trying to line up that edge piece best I can. Not a lot of room in there. Okay, that looks pretty good right there. Okay, got it tacked in place. It's like it blew through the metal. Sucks. Just that one tack for now, but obviously I'm going to have to weld it some more. Yeah, so like the cable definitely going through. Maybe, oh, it probably is catching down the end of the cable tube, so I'm going to have to go underneath and put it there. Push the cable back through. I'm gonna do a couple more welds. Lines up pretty well. So there's that factory weld. I'm gonna try to weld on here, and then I'm gonna stick that file in there, try to file it down a little bit, and then the magnet. Hopefully get all the little metal out. That's the plan. Got it welded. Try to grind those down a little bit. I tried to get down in there as far as I could, but it's really hard. Try to clean that up. And done. Good. Get that edge a little more, but it won't go in there. See if I can get this in there at all. I don't know, maybe too tight. Alright, it's pretty good. Cleaned up enough. This cover goes over everything. fits. Yep. Clean all this up and maybe paint it black real quick. Wow, get some paint on that also. Wire wheeled it, scuffed it up. Some Scotch-Brite, it's gonna cover up the mess. Just do a layer of black here. Dry. One more coat after that. I think I got it fixed. Not perfect, but it'll hold, hopefully. So we'll find out when I drive down the road. So there's the end of the tube I just welded on. Hard to see in there, but and then the throttle cable's right next to it there. I'm gonna try to stick the file down in there, see if there's anything on the edges I need to try to file down a little bit. So I'll stick the magnet in there and clean it up. Get all the stuff out of there. Hopefully that's all good to go now. All right, I'm underneath here. If you can see. So I got the magnet in there right now. So I'm just sticking this down in there. I stuck the file in there and honestly I didn't feel really anything. So I think we're clear. I don't think any welds got through. Let's check the magnet. There's some metal on it, a little bit. Or maybe just goo. I'm just gonna stick it in there a few times. Anything else is in there. It's hard to see, sorry, the video's not gonna be that great to see, but yeah. I think it's just more the grease there. Yep, we're good to go. I am actually gonna just order a new Bowden tube, because why not, I'm here, might as well. And then there's this rubber grommet. I'm gonna order that as well. Maybe, I don't know, let's see. If I order that, I guess I'll have to take the throttle cable out, but that's all good. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna crawl back underneath and try to hook up the clutch cable at the transmission. All right, we got the clutch cable ran through. Stacy came and helped. I crawled underneath. Got the whole wing nut on. Oh, you can't see it there. Clutch is going in and out now. And the tube is repaired.
I'm going to hook up the push rod tube for the brake master cylinder. This part connects to the brake pedal and pushes in the master cylinder.
Got it back in. it there. Wing nut on. It's a mess. This boot is, there we go. Boot is shot. I got a new one. I need to cut this one off and replace. Let's probably drain the fluid and replace those two boots. Layer of goo on here from 1968 goo. Lovely. I haven't tried to put the seats in yet. The seats are out of 63 bucks, he said. Mine's a 68. So slide the seat in. Get in it, slide it. Goes in. Right on. Cool. So now my wife helped me lead the brake. She can just sit in the seat. Cool. Pretty exciting.